It is always desire of management of Greenwich University to come out from the shell of bookish and theoretical world and show the world the real outcome of acquired knowledge in tangible shape. Based on said desire, the management initiated the move by assigning the task to HOD, Business Administration Director Auric, Dr. Athar Ahmed, who has special interest in international marketing and practical exposure in trade associations, and Chamber to develop the project to show the tangible outcome gained from the education of global business management. Being a television anchor, Dr. Athar Ahmed took the word of Mr. Atta Rabbani, the ADC to Quaid-e-Azam Lajna, whom he interviewed. He said, exposing potential of Pakistan can make the soul of Quaid-e-Azam happy. Dr. Athar Ahmed started working on a project named Potential of Pakistan and start looking for a dedicated student who could perform this hard task with full dedication, and he found Sara Bilgrami, Adil Muhammad Qasim, myself Sandhya Devi Lohana, who has worked day and night to complete this hard task. Potential of Pakistan is a project having its optimized website www.potentialofpakistan.com.pk and series of television program by the name of Potential of Pakistan in English language to be aired on television very soon. This website is first clearing the wrong perception spread against Pakistan, and then upon entering various commercial sector are shown having potential to serve international market. Upon clicking on sector of interest, detail of sector is shown plus relevant links are given to see about production, quality and exports of the sector. The episode of relevant sector aired on television will also be uploaded on page or website, enabling to see potential buyer all over the world, to see production process of relevant product and listen about product's quality. Leading exporter of sector presently test run episode on textile is already uploaded on page of textile and website. It's our honor that Honorable President of Mauritius inaugurated our project in graceful ceremony, and relevant stakeholders appreciated the project and idea. In addition to the relevant stakeholders, the Reading University UK considered it as the most innovative project out of 385 projects of international marketing submitted in competition, and name of creator is included in Who is Who list. The website and the television program is supported by the book by the name of Unleashing Potential of Pakistan in 3 phases. Phase 1 investment, phase 2 exports, phase 3 tourism, which will also be uploaded on website, and tangible copies of book will also be sent to all commercial diplomats of Pakistan around the globe. We are very much confident that this effort of Greenwich University will bear fruits in near future. The objective of Greenwich University is to see progressive and economically sound Pakistan as the country of quality products.